Hey YouTube modeling community, welcome back to another video. Today we've got a 1950 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. This is my latest build, AMT kit. I've built one of these before. Great kit, like I said last time, I think. No major issues. There's a bit of flash on it, but whatever. And I built this one differently than I did the last one. The last one, if you remember, it was all ratty and rusty, and it had a small block Chevy put in it. This one right here is a beautiful purple work truck looking thing. Lots of time went into this one. Got the color right here. I've used this color many times before. Try to pick up a can of it every time I'm at the hobby shop because I go through quite a lot of it. I like it. And this is by far one of my favorite builds that I've done to date. It's up there with my metallic black 32 Ford. Got the opening tailgate as usual on these. Made this out of some scraps of balsa wood. Nice chrome trim all around. Made the mirror point more up than it did out, just so it was kind of sleeker and I guess more low profile. Put a rear view mirror in it. And inside, if it'll focus on all that chrome in there, you'll see it's got a new shifter than the one included in the kit. And it's got a tachometer mounted on the column. You'll also see it's got a nice seat cover in there too. Tan and purple interior. I thought that would go pretty well with the look I was going for. That, you know, restored work truck look, and I think it was right. Got that wire running off of the tachometer. And that brings us to the 235 that I showed you in the other video. Spent a little too much time on this, I'll admit. Got everything in there wired up. Got them nice radiator hoses with the hose clamps and everything else. And ain't sure if you can see them in there, but there's wires up in front of the radiator for the headlights, and got where the main harness comes out, and heater hoses, and all the gauges go in just by the line for the wiper fluid. Got fuel lines run. There's oil lines down there. Can't really see much of them on camera, but they're there, trust me. Flip it upside down on its side, and you can see under here. Sprayed a bunch of everything down here silver, just plain silver and black. Wanted it to be clean and simple. And see, we got more things and stuff, and you can see a brake line and the part of the main harness that runs back here and goes to smaller wires that I'm gonna say go to the tail lights, but they really don't. You can see some loose headlight wires up there. Not so much on this side because it's in the dark, but whatever. Added a brake master cylinder up there. Spent a lot of time on this one doing all sorts of details, and here's one of them. The seat folds forward. That's included in the kit, and I thought might as well just do it. Thought it was pretty neat. And I think that's it. That's all this one has. It's got, I moved the plates and mounted them in the center of the bumpers. They're Minnesota plates. Overall though, I'm very pleased with this one. One of my favorite builds yet. Like I said, it's up there with my black 32 Ford as one of just those builds that I really like for some reason. Took a lot of time on this. Very happy with the result. Definitely a fun build. Definitely going to build a third one of these at some point. Not sure when, but I'm going to quit wasting your time with this video. And I'll see y'all in the next one.